A very good morning to all my dear children. In today's maths class, we are going to continue with the chapter time. Last class we discussed about time, right? So now we are going to continue with that. Are you ready for today's session? Yes. So we saw time, a clock. How to see time in a clock, right? Little. So now how many faces it has? Clock has one face, right? How many faces it has? Clock has one face. How many hands? It has one face and how many hands? Just see the clock and tell me. Yes, it has two hands. Hour hand and minute hand. How many hands? Two. Hour hand and minute hand. The smaller one. Small hand is the hour hand. Just see the smaller one is the. So this is the small one is the hour hand and the longer hand is the minute hand. Longer one is the minute hand that represents the minute hand. So clock face has markings for hours and minutes, right? So now you can see the clock. Just see the markings. It has numbers from 1 to 12, isn't it? That represents the, see, this represents the hour markings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This represents the this represents the hour marking. What is this? It represents the hour markings. Now, in between one small lines are there, right? Just check 4 lines are there. That represents the minute markings. The smaller markings, right? Between the 2 hour markings. See, 1 to 12 is the hour markings. So, 12, 1, 2, 3. So these are all hour markings, right? So in between 4 lines will be there. That represents the minute markings. So now, so till that we this also we saw last class, right? So now how to see the time? How to see the time? So time is represented by hours and minutes. How we will represent time? It is represented in hours. First we will write the hours and then minutes. Isn't it? M-I-N is minutes. So now the smaller hand that represents the hours. So first we'll write the hours. Then the minutes. It is represented by the longer hand, right? So now if the longer hand is at 12. Just see the longer hand is at 12. What does it represent? How many minutes it is? 0 minutes. Just see the clock now. So here the smaller hand where it is at 2. So write the time is hours and minutes. Time is represented by hours and minutes. So the smaller hand is at 2, right? That is hour hand. So write the time 2 o'clock. Hour is at 2. So write 2 minutes. How will you calculate minutes? If the minute hand is at 12, it means 00. It means 00 minutes. So now what is the time now? 2 o'clock. How we'll say? While writing, we will write like this: 2 colon followed by. Now it is the minute hand is at 12. As the minute hand is at 12, we are writing 00, right? So now how we'll say the time? 2 o'clock. As the smaller hand is at 2, the time is 2 o'clock and minute hand is at 12. That means 00 minutes. So now the time is 2 o'clock. So you know how to see the time if the minute hand is at 12. Now if the minute hand comes to 1, 2, 3, how to calculate that we are going to see today. Yes. Now reading the minute hand today we are going to see. Now we know if the minute hand is at 12, we know that is 00, right? Now if the minute hand is at say 1, 2 or 3, how to calculate the minutes? That we'll see now. So now there are 60 markings on a clock face. How many markings are there? So inside we'll have 4, right? So in between we'll have, so we 12, 1. In between how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 markings. 5th one we'll have, right? So 5. So till 12 we'll have how many markings? We have 60 markings. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second number will come. So altogether we have how many markings? 60 markings. Each marking is for 1 minute. Each marking is for 1 minute. Just see the clock and just see the clock. See, each marking is for 1 minute. Just see, after 12, one small line is there, right? That represents 1 minute. After that, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. When it crosses 1, that means 5 minutes. If it crosses this 1, if the bigger hand, longer hand I am saying, if it is like this, what is the meaning? 5 minutes. What is that? 5 minutes. Just you have to read the inner lines. How many first? So each line represent 1 minute. Each line represents, small line represent 1 minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When it crosses 1, that means 5 minutes. After that, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if it is a 2, that means 10 minutes. So if it is a 2, it means 10 minutes. If it is a 2, if the bigger hand is a longer hand is a 2, it means 10 minutes. So in between small markings are there, right? That represent, each small one is the minute. Each marking is for 1 minute. Okay, the bigger marking are with numbers, right? There are 4 small markings at equal distance between 2 big markings that we saw now, right? In between we have 4 small markings, right? So how many markings are there totally? We have 60 markings and each one represent 1 minute. Each one represent 1 minute. So when it crosses 1, so that is for 5 minutes. If it crosses 2, 10 minutes. So we have 4 small markings in between, right? Next. Now, when the minute hand is at a big marking, we calculate the minutes by multiplying by 5. What we'll do? When the minute hand is at bigger marking, just see minute hand. See the minute hand, it is at C. It is at the bigger marking, right? It is the minute hand where it is at number 3. The minute hand is at number 3. How to calculate the minutes? So if the minute hand is at 3, small, bigger hand is at 3, isn't it? So how will you calculate the minutes? The smaller hand is at 1, that we know, that is for hours. How will you calculate for minutes? If the minute hand is at 3, it means we are going to multiply that minute hand. It is at number 3, right? So multiply by 5. So 3 5s are 15 minutes. For minutes, what you have to do? If it is at 1, multiply by 5. 1 5s are 5 minutes. If it is at number 2, I'm talking about the longer hand. Don't go for the smaller hand. We are now talking only about the bigger one, longer hand. Now we are going to calculate only for minutes now. So just see where the minute hand is. The minute hand, that longer hand is at number 3. How will you calculate the minute? So you are going to multiply it by 5. So 3 5s are 15 minutes. So now the time, so how many minutes now? 15 minutes. Just see, how will you say the time now? The smaller hand is at 1. So the hour is 1 hour. And what is the minute hand? Where is the minute hand? It is at 3. Then how many minutes? So 3 into 5, 15 minutes. As we have small markings, right? So from here to here, 5, 10, 15. So totally 15 minutes. If the minute hand is at 3, what is the minute now? How many minutes? 15 minutes. So now the time is, just see the clock. Now the time is 1 hour, 15 minutes. So you know how to see the hour hand, right? If you have for hour hand, you have to see the smaller one. And for minute hand, how to calculate? Just see where it is. If it is at number 2, just see in the C. If it is at number 2, how will you calculate the minute? Multiply 2 by 5. 2 5s are 10 minutes. If it is at number 2, it is 10 minutes. If it is at 3, it is 15 minutes. 3 into 5, 15 minutes. If it is at number 4, 4 into 5, 20 minutes. So you are going to multiply it by 5. So minute hand, how to calculate? Just see where it is, where the minute hand is. Multiply by 5 so that you will get the exact minutes. Clear now? Now we will see one more sum now. Quarter past. What do you mean by quarter past? Do you know what is quarter? What is the meaning of quarter? Just see, this is a clock. This is a clock. I am going to say this is, if I am cutting equally, this we'll say as half. If I'm cutting equally, that is called as half. Now just see if I'm again, what does this represents? Quarter. What does this represent? Quarter. Usually quarter means 15. 15 minutes. Yes, half means 30. Half means 30. Quarter means 15. Clear? What is the meaning of quarter? Half means 30. One, that is full whole. If we cut half means that is 30. Then quarter means 15. Now we are going to see what is quarter past. What does it mean by past? Past means that is over. Correct? So if the minute hand is at 3, just see, now the minute hand, that means the longer hand is at 3. Just now we saw, right, that the longer hand is at number 3. It shows 15 minutes. What is that minutes? 15 minutes. Just now we saw, right, if the longer hand is at 3, 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 is 15 minutes, right? So 15 minutes, that we know. It is called as quarter past. What do you mean by quarter? That is, quarter is 15. So 15 minutes has been passed out. Correct? 15 minutes is over from the time 4 o'clock. So that is past. 15 minutes is over, right? That 15 minutes is passed out from 4 o'clock, right? So now what is the time? If that is over from 4 o'clock, it has crossed 4:15. So 15 minutes has been passed out. So that is past. Quarter past. Quarter means 15 minutes. What do we say? 15. So 15 minutes has been passed out, right? So how to write this? Just see this clock and how to write time for this. How to write time for this? Now tell me, first we have to write the, how we'll write the time? First we have to write the hours and then minutes, isn't it? How to write the time? First we have to write the hours. Now tell me, in which number it is? Just see the smaller hand, where it is? Yes, 4. It has crossed 4, right? So how to write time? So the smaller hand is at 4. Just see, smaller hand is at, small one is at 4. It has crossed 4. So our hand is at 4. So write the hour, 4 hours. Then how many minutes? It is the minute hand. Where it is? It is at number 3. So 5, 10, 15. 3 into 5, 15 minutes. So now the time is 4:15. How to write this? Just see, quarter past. How to write this? Just see, quarter past 4. Quarter past means 15 minutes passed away from 4 o'clock. So how to write this? Quarter past. So first 4, we know the time is 4:15, right? So this 15 minutes is passed out. So how to write this? Quarter past. Quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. How to write this? First write out how many minutes has passed out. So 15 minutes. So this 15 represent quarter. Just 15 is quarter. 30 means half. 15 is quarter. 30 is half. That we'll do in the next class. So 15, what does 15 represent? It is quarter. So quarter past. That is over, right? Past. What is meaning of past? That is already over. So quarter past from 4 o'clock, right? So from 4, quarter past 4. From 4 o'clock, 15 minutes has been passed out, right? So quarter past 4. How to write this? So the time is 4:15. Just see, first we have to write the hours, 4 hours. And how many minutes? 15 minutes. How to write this? Quarter past, 15 minutes has been passed out. So quarter past 4. From 4 o'clock, 15 minutes has been passed out. So quarter past 4. One more we'll see. Now just see this time. You are going to say, now tell me what is the time in this? See the time and tell me now. First, how will you write the time? First we'll write the hours, right? Now see, where is the smaller hand? Where is the hour hand? It is at 11. Just see 11. It crosses 11. So the time is 11. And see the minute hand. Where it is? The longer hand. It is at 3. Isn't it? So how many minutes? If it is at 3, multiply by 5. If it is not everything, you should multiply by 5. If it is at 2 also, you should multiply by 5 and you should write the minutes. Now it is at 3, right? So 3 into 5, 15 minutes. So 11:15. We know the time is 11:15. So 11 hours, 15 minutes. So how to write the time? Hours and minutes. It is separated by this colon. How will you say this time? 11:15, right? 11:15. Now how to write this in quarter past? So just see, 15 minutes is passed out, right? So what is the meaning of 15? Quarter. So quarter past, write down quarter past. 15 minutes is over from 11 o'clock, right? So it has reached 11:15 from 11. So 15 minutes is over. So quarter past 15. What is the meaning of 15? Quarter. Quarter past 11. From 11, 15 minutes is over. So quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter past, P-A-S-T, past, past, that is over. 11, from 11, 15 minutes is over. How to write this? First you write quarter past 11. Clear now? What is quarter past? Yes. Now we'll do the sum. Write the time. Now you can take your textbook, time chapter. So first one is write the time shown by the clock. First, now we are going to write the time. We are going to write the time. Shall we? Write the time shown by the clock. Write the time shown by the clock. So how to write the time? First we have to write the hours and then minutes. Now tell me, where is the hour hand? What is the hour hand? That is the smaller one, right? Where is the smaller one is now? See and tell me. First question, just see. Now tell me, where is the hour hand? Smaller one. Yes, it is at 1. Just see. It is at 1, right? So now 1. Then where is the minute? Then 1 followed by where is the minute hand? Just see where the minute. It is at 3. So what is the, how many minutes then? If it is at 3, what you have to do? How to calculate minutes? You have to multiply by 5. So now it is at 3. 3 into 5, 15. 3 5s are 15 minutes. So if it is at 2, 2 into 5, 10 minutes. Just see where the minute hand is. Then that number you are going to multiply it by 5. So 3 5s are 15 minutes. So 1 hour, 15 minutes. How to write this? Shall we write 15? What is the meaning of 15? That is 15 minutes has been passed out from 1, right? So quarter past, write down quarter past, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter past, P-A-S-T, quarter past 1, right? From 1, 15 minutes has been passed out. So quarter past, what is the meaning of 15? Quarter. 15 minutes, quarter. So 15 minutes has been over from 1 o'clock. So quarter past 1. How to write this? Quarter past 1. Clear? So now the time is 1 hour, 15 minutes. 1 hour, 15 minutes. As the hour hand is at 1, the smaller hand is at 1, I am writing 1. And the minute hand, longer hand is at 3. So 3 into 5, 15. So 1 hour, 15 minutes. How to write in other way? So 15 minutes, quarter. Quarter past, that is over. Quarter past from 1 o'clock. Quarter past 1. Shall we move on to the next one? Now this you will do. Easy one. Just see. B sum will you do? Yes, I'll do the C sum now. C sum will do now. Just see the time. Just see the time and tell me how to write the time. Hours and minutes, right? Now where is the hour hand? Where is the smaller one? Yes, it is at 7, right? So shall we write 7? So 7, then so it is at 7, right? The smaller one is at 7. So 7, then where is the longer hand? Minutes. So it is at 3. So what is the time now? 3 into 5, 15 minutes. So the time is 7, 15. Correct. So first you have to write the hours. Just see the smaller hand. It is at 7. It crossed 7, right? So as it crossed 7, so the hour hand is at 7. Just see. It is at 7. It crossed 7. So 7 and the minute hand is at 3. That means 3 5s are 15. So how will you write this in other way? 15. How will you write? 15 means quarter, right? So quarter past. So 15 minutes has been passed out from which? Quarter past from 7. Quarter past 7. From 7 o'clock 15 minutes is over. So quarter past 7. Have you all written? Quarter past 7. Next one. Next, D sum. Now it's easy, right? You will do, right? Now D sum, tell me where is the, how will you write the time? Hour hand and minutes hand, right? Where is the hour hand, smaller hand? Which number it is? Just see, smaller one is at 9. It crossed 9, right? So the time is 9. Then, where is the minute hand, the longer one? 3, same 3 only. So 3 means 3 5s are 15 minutes. So 9:15. The time is 9:15. So if it is at 3, it is 15 minutes. If it is at 2, 10 minutes. 2 into 5, 10 minutes. You are going to multiply the in which just number it is showing. Just see the longer hand. That number you are going to multiply it by 5. Okay, now it is at 3. So we are saying 15 minutes. If it is at some other number, what we have to do? So that number multiply it by 5. So that you will get the exact minutes. Clear, children? So now the time is 9:15. How to write in other way? So 15 minutes has been passed out, right? So quarter past, write down quarter past. QUARTER. Quarter past. PAST. As I don't have place, I am writing it here. Quarter past. So 9. Quarter past 9. Just write it below. Quarter past 9. From 9 o'clock 15 minutes is over. So quarter past. Quarter means 15. Don't forget that. Half means 30. Quarter past 9. Now last one more sum. Then just see this E sum. Now tell me what is the time now? Hours and minutes. Where is the hour hand? Smaller one. It is at 8, right? It crossed 8. So 8 and minutes. Same 15 only. Right? It is at 3. The longer hand is at 3. So it means 3 into 5, 15 minutes. So the time is 8:15. How will you write in other way? So 15 minutes has been passed out from 8, right? So quarter past. How will you start? Quarter past. 15 minutes has been over. Quarter past 8. Quarter past 8. From 8 o'clock 15 minutes is over. Quarter past 8. Finished. Quarter past. Time is 8:15. How to write in the other way? Quarter past 8. Next one. Next. Draw hands on the clocks to show the time. This is very easy, right? Draw hands on the clock to show the time. So then a time has been given. We are going to draw the hands. It's easy, right? So now see the time. Draw hands on the clock to show the time. Just see. What is the first one? 6:15. Time is 6:15. What is the meaning? 6. What is 6? It is hours. And what is 15? Minutes, right? Now 6 though, our hand should be at 6. So smaller one, it will be at 6. Shall we write draw the smaller hand? So smaller hand should be at 6. So from just small. So the smaller hand will be at 6. Okay. So directly to 6 you just draw one hand, smaller hand. Okay. Then what do you mean by 15? What do you mean by 15? That means 15 minutes. So where it will be? So this is, just see, this is 5. 1 means 5. 2 means 10 minutes. 3 means 15 minutes. So where will you draw the minute hand? So 3 at number 3. So it has to show to number 3. Yes. Why I have drawn at number 3? As the time is 15 minutes, right? So 1 represents 5 minutes, 2 is 10 minutes, 3 is 15 minutes. So draw 6:15 means, so smaller hand should be at 6 and bigger one should be at 3. So 15 minutes, that represent minutes. So how will you calculate 15 minutes? Yes, just see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clear? Now, one more sum we'll do now. So we'll do this quarter past. Quarter past, 12:15, will you do this? So 12:15, B sum is, so 12 is, so the smaller hand should be at 12 and the longer hand 15. Same way, you are going to represent this at, longer hand should be at 3. Next, quarter past 3. How will you do this quarter past 3? Quarter past 3. So first tell me what is the time. Quarter past 3 means from 3 o'clock, quarter past. So 15 minutes is over. So this is the time. So quarter past 3 means, so the time from 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock, quarter means 15 minutes is over. So what is the time? First you write the time. Quarter past 3 means, so from 3 o'clock, 15 minutes is over. Quarter means 15. So the time is 3:15. Quarter past 3 means 3:15. Now you can draw the hour hand and the minute hand, right? Where should be the hour hand? Smaller one. It should be at, just see here. Yes, quarter past 3. And where is the, where will you draw the minute hand? Same place only, 15 minutes. So 15 also, this also, it will be like this only. It will just little like that only. So 3:15. How will you write this? Same, it will just, how will you just see little. So little it has crossed, right? So 3:15. Little down you can draw because 15 minutes has crossed, right? So small hand, little down you can draw. So small hand is also at 3 and bigger hand is also at 3. And small hand you can draw little down because 15 minutes is crossed, right? So just little down you draw, okay? So smaller hand, little down, not exactly at 3, little, one like that. So then like this, okay? It is cross 3. So the time is 3:15. Quarter past 3 means 3:15. Now remaining the sums we'll do in the next class. One sum we'll do, other sums you can do as homework also. So you know how to see the time, right? How to draw hands for the clock for the given time, right? So time is represented by hours and minutes. So first one is the hours and then the minutes. How to see the, how to calculate minutes? Just see the bigger hand where it is, then multiply that number by 5 so that you'll get the exact minutes. So next class, just practice well the remaining sums, children. Draw the hands for the 12:15 that you can draw, and this also quarter past 7 that you can draw, okay? So practice well the sums. See you in the next class. Thank you.